well-maintained 1344 square foot bungalow located in the beach resort of We2 at Last Mountain Lake. Upon entry you are greeted to a large open concept floor plan that is perfect for entertaining family and friends. The large living room has a cathedral ceiling, hardwood flooring, a two-sided fireplace and large picture windows for great lighting. The kitchen and dining room flow together to create a perfect sitting area with its maple cabinets, island sitting station, double sink, built-in gas Jenn-Air top plate, built-in oven and microwave. The master bedroom is large and has a 4-piece ensuite with a stand-up shower and jacuzzi jet tub. Master also has a large walk-in closet and other side of fireplace. The yard is outstanding with its huge double-detached heated garage, single-detached garage, 2 maintenance-free decks, well-cared-for lawn and fire pit area. Other features: tankless water heater, air exchanger, Connecticut water system and central vac. Only 50 minutes from Regina and 1 hour from Moose Jaw.